Hi, welcome to this quick tutorial on how to add video to your Qualtrics survey. First of all, log into your Qualtrics account and navigate to the survey you would like to edit. Once you are in the survey editor, select the question where you want to insert the video or create a new question if needed. From the toolbar, you will notice a Rich Content Editor option. Click on that. In the editor window, you will see various formatting options, but for this tutorial, we are going to focus on the small icon that look like a market bag. Go ahead and click on that. A pop-up will appear allowing you to either upload a video file from your computer or embed a video from platform like YouTube. If you have a YouTube video, simply paste the URL in the designated field. Once you have chosen your video, hit save or insert. And the video will be embedded directly into the survey question. Now preview your survey to make sure the video plays properly. If everything looks good, you are ready to publish your survey. And that's it. You have successfully added a video to your Qualtrics survey. Thanks for watching and happy surveying.